On July 1st, I made a video saying that this was the bottom for Apple and that over the next 3 to 6 months, price would push its way back up to $250 to $280. And since then, that is exactly what has been happening. Price has bounced over 20%. And this has been moving to absolute perfection. And in this video, I want to go over where I think this is headed if that move up to $280 is still a possibility. And I want to go over the unusual options calls that hit for Apple earlier today. Now let's start first with the technical setup on Apple and why we were initially getting into this position back in April and May and why we were bullish in the first place. Now, in order to do this, we're going to take our candle replays and we're going to go back to look at what the market was actually setting up like in March and April. Obviously, the market was selling off of a cliff. Many people were worried about tariffs. And you can see that at the time, price was selling off drastically. Now, there were so many people in the market who were afraid, thinking that this stock was going to just continue to crater. But for those of you who follow our system, you know that this is an ample opportunity and honestly the best time to be going long on any stock that has this type of setup. And the main reason for that is two of our strongest indications were currently in the market at the time. First and foremost, the smart money zone was seated right here at $178 to $180. This is the single most important thing that I take into account when I'm trading our two-step system. With just the smart money zone and the volume profile, we've been able to make over $5 million in the past 5 years with a 60% win rate. The reason that this is such a strong level is because this is going to show us where significant discount is currently sitting. And what you have to understand is that institutions are not going to overpay for a stock. They're not buying Apple when it's up here. That's retail. They're going to be buying when price is trading down here. So as price pulls into the smart money zone, this is a very good sign that we're going to bounce. Now, the second thing is that we have our point of control. So these horizontal volume bars that are gray on the right side of your screen, this is our THT volume profile indicator. And this indicator specifically is going to show us over the past 150 weeks, where is the most trading volume. And this is very important because where we have these thick areas of volume on the volume profile, more specifically this area of $170, they're going to act as major supports. And this red area specifically is called the point of control, which is going to be the strongest support. So we have our two strongest indicators telling us that this is a major support, which is going to be normally a time to buy. And if you want to get access to both of those indicators completely for free, they are in step 3 of our free trading system. The link to all of our courses and our entire system is down in the description for free. But step 3 is going to be where you're going to get smart money mastery and the volume profile indicator, plus a course showing you how to actually set it up and use it. So price comes right into that point of control where we have bounced here multiple times prior. We're also lining up with the smart money zone, and you can see that literally to perfection, price bounces nearly 16% within 20 days. Now, price continues to compress, and this is where we said there's a very high chance that that was the bottom, and price is going to rally from here, which is exactly what ended up happening. And from that low, the stock is now up about 38%. From this compression here in June when we were calling it out for free on X, it's up about 20%. And if you notice the buying and selling pressure here on the BX trender, this is a clear indication that buyers are still entering the market. And that's why I think there's a chance this is going to go to 260 to maybe even 280 by the end of this year. Now, on top of all of this, if we go over to our Traders Helping Traders dashboard or our student portal, which all of our private Discord community members get access to, we can go into the unusual flow section, and you are going to notice that if we scroll down yesterday here on September 15th, we saw a huge order come through on the options market. And these call options are already up like 35%. These were confirmed bullish flow for a strike price of $250 and an expiration date of 11/21/2025. This was an alpha gold alert, which is one of the strongest call option alerts that we have. And you can see down here that this is a screenshot of the flow itself. When we have this kind of buying pressure coming into the market on top of a very strong setup on this weekly chart and the daily chart, it's a pretty strong indication that institutions are expecting this to continue to expand or continue to break out, which is why I'm still holding on to my position. And I do think that in the next couple of weeks, we're going to see this at $260 and even as high as $280 by the end of this year. I hope this video helped. Let me know what you think down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And as always, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you can stay up to all of our real-time updates.